I filmed a lot of wild places, but this, no visibility, wind screaming, and salt was flying like a blizzard. I genuinely thought I might not make it out of this. But I did it for you.
I'm in Salt Lake City, Utah, and nice, crisp 96 degrees. They call this place the Crossroads of the West. Kind of feels like a hot air fryer, though. In about 1 hour, I'm gonna be in a place they tell me looks like snow. Spoiler alert, it ain't snow.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
So, if you're coming from Salt Lake City, it's about a 1 hour and 45-minute drive west. Smooth ride, straight shot. The closer you get, the more the road starts to feel like it's leading you into a dream or even a sci-fi movie.
It is hot. It's definitely not snow.
This is the Bonneville Salt Flats. Roughly 14,000 years ago, this entire region was covered by a massive prehistoric lake, Lake Bonneville. It was bigger than Lake Michigan. It stretched across what's now Utah, Nevada, and Idaho. But over time, the climate shifted, the lake slowly evaporated, and what's left behind?
So you know that show, Is It Cake? Well, is it salt? All I need is a margarita.
For thousands of years, it just sat here, quiet, flat, untouched. Starting in the early 1900s, people realized this place was basically nature's racetrack. No bumps, no trees, just miles of wide open, rock-hard salt. By the 30s, it was a place to chase land speed records. Jet-powered cars, streamliners, motorcycles, speeds over 600 miles per hour have been clocked here. So yeah, it's more than just salt. It's history, it's legacy, and it's one of the most iconic places on Earth for doing what humans do best, pushing limits.
I forgot to mention one thing. A lot of water.
And just a quick reminder, don't forget to check that forecast weather before you head out there.